Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best travel strollers available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the multifunctional baby stroller. One of the standout features of the Smart Stroller BCBS 810 is its 3-in-1 functionality. This stroller can be adjusted to allow your baby to sit, lie down, or be used as a pram. This versatility is perfect for accommodating different stages of your baby's growth and various activities, from short strolls to longer outings. The ability to adjust the stroller easily ensures that my baby is always comfortable, regardless of the situation. Comfort is paramount when it comes to baby strollers, and the Smart Stroller BCBS 810 doesn't disappoint. It offers a large space designed specifically for newborns, ensuring they have ample room to move and grow. The all-terrain wheels are another highlight of this stroller. They provide a smooth ride on various surfaces, whether we're navigating through city streets, parks, or more uneven terrains. The wheel's design ensures stability and ease of maneuverability, making the stroller versatile for different environments. At number 2 is the Bellecoo Landscape Baby Stroller. The stroller is made from high-quality stainless steel, providing exceptional durability and strength. I appreciate how the stainless steel frame ensures the stroller's longevity, withstanding the daily wear and tear that comes with transporting an infant. Additionally, the corrosion resistance of stainless steel means that maintenance is minimal, and the stroller retains its sleek appearance over time. With a load-bearing capacity of up to 20 kilograms, this stroller supports my child as they grow. The sturdy construction and well-designed frame ensure that it remains safe and reliable, even as my baby gets heavier. It's reassuring to know that the stroller can handle the weight without compromising stability. The mechanism for folding and unfolding the stroller is straightforward and user-friendly. It collapses into a compact form, making it easy to store in small spaces. This feature is particularly beneficial for city dwellers like me, where every inch of space counts. At number 3 on our list is the High-View Portable Baby Stroller. One of the first things that impressed me about this stroller was its compact and lightweight design. As someone who frequently travels, I needed a stroller that I could easily carry and store. The High-View Portable Baby Stroller ticked all the boxes. It's incredibly easy to maneuver and doesn't take up much space in my car trunk, making it ideal for travel. The all-rubber wheels provide a smooth ride, which is essential for my baby's comfort. The grip and durability of the wheels are impressive, handling different terrains with ease. Whether we're strolling through the park or navigating city sidewalks, the stroller glides effortlessly. The foldable design is another standout feature. It's incredibly convenient for storage and transport. The folding mechanism is simple and quick, allowing me to collapse the stroller with one hand while holding my baby in the other. This feature has made our outings much more manageable. Moving up at number 4 is the 4-in-1 car seat baby stroller. One of the standout features of this stroller is its 4-in-1 functionality. It seamlessly transitions between a stroller, car seat, pram, and buggy. This versatility means you can use it for various purposes without needing multiple products, which is both cost-effective and space-saving. Whether I'm taking my baby for a walk in the park, driving to the grocery store, or simply using it at home, this stroller has proven to be incredibly adaptable. The stroller is made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. The construction feels robust and reliable, which is essential for a product that needs to withstand daily use. The wheels are made of natural rubber, which provides smooth mobility. This material choice means that the stroller glides effortlessly over different surfaces, from sidewalks to park trails, making outings more enjoyable for both me and my baby. At just 16 pounds, this stroller is lightweight and easy to carry. Whether I'm lifting it into the car or carrying it up the stairs, the manageable weight makes a significant difference in my daily routine. At number 5 is the 3-in-1 Luxury Baby Stroller. One of the standout features of this stroller is its multifunctional design. It's incredibly adaptable, allowing me to switch between sleeping and sitting modes with ease. Whether my baby needs a cozy spot to nap or wants to sit up and explore the world, this stroller adjusts to meet our needs. The reversible design is another bonus, giving me the flexibility to have my baby face me or look out at the surroundings. The quality of materials used in both models is impressive. The frames are made from sturdy materials that promise longevity, while the wheels are designed to handle various terrains smoothly. Comfort and safety are paramount when it comes to my baby, and this stroller doesn't disappoint. The ergonomic design ensures my baby is always comfortable, whether sitting or lying down. It also comes with essential safety features like secure harnesses and reliable brakes, giving me peace of mind whenever we're on the move. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.